In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Tableau Desktop in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to data visualization or a seasoned professional, having Tableau Desktop installed on your computer is essential for creating stunning data visuals. So let's get started. First, open up your web browser. In the search bar, type Tableau Public and hit enter. This will bring you to a list of search results. You can either click on the link that says Tableau Public or directly type in publictableau.com into the address bar. This will take you to Tableau Public's homepage. Here you'll find a range of resources, but for now we're focused on getting that download started. Once you're on the Tableau Public website, look for the Create drop-down menu. Yes, right at the top of the page. Click on it and you will see the option Download Tableau Desktop Public Edition. Go ahead and click on that. Now, before you can download the software, you will be asked to fill out some registration details. Don't worry, it's just the usual stuff like your name and email, nothing too time-consuming. After you've filled in your details, you will see a prominent button labeled Download the app. Click on that button and the download process will start. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a couple of minutes. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Look for the downloaded file, which is the execution file you'll need to start the installation. Double-click on this file to begin the installation process. A new window will open prompting you to accept the terms of the license agreement. Make sure to read through it. Though most of us don't, it's always a good idea. Once you're satisfied, click on the checkbox to accept the terms. Additionally, there will be another checkbox that's optional. This is about sending usage data to Tableau. It's completely up to you whether you want to enable this option. Some users prefer not to send any data, while others don't mind. After you've sorted that out, you will see an Install button. Click on it and the installation process will begin. This might take a few minutes, so feel free to grab a quick cup of coffee while you wait. As soon as the installation wraps up, you'll notice that the application will automatically launch itself. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Tableau Desktop. Now you're all set to explore your data like never before and bring it to life with incredible visualizations. Make sure to explore all the features and possibilities that Tableau offers. Thanks for watching and happy data visualizing.